Roasted marshmallows.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Sarah,
oh.
Come here, Sarah.
Hi, Daddy.
We're roasting marshmallows on the freaking barbecue.
We need a barbecue, Dad. I mean, not a barbecue, fireplace.
Fire pit.
Fire pit. What? I missed Daddy.
Getting away with my shot there, Sarah. This may take a while to start going try on the trampoline.
Okay, so if this takes a while, just look at me on the trampoline.
You can look at Sarah on the trampoline if you want. There. All done.
Oh, Daddy.
You don't need to watch me eat, so you can watch Sarah on the God damn it.
I miss you, Daddy. Oh, one. No.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay, it's my turn to roast the marshmallow.
I'm going to trampoline now. I love you, Bobby. What? Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Ready? My turn. Go.
Mason, say hi to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. All I can see is her tuchus.
That looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, if you look at faster, just put it near the flame. It's closer to the flame.
That's what I call a roasted marshmallow, Daddy. Oh, God.
Say I love you, Dad.
Love you, Daddy.
Hi, Dad. I love you, Dad.
And Macy Moo Moo.
What's this?
With Macy Moo Moo. Say hi to Daddy. Say I love you, Daddy. I even have my lipstick out.
Ew, Mom, don't.
And Mr. Barky
Sarah,
and Miss
you have
Barky.
the whole thing to yourself, the whole camera.